All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see?
The gastrointestinal system is essential for your body to receive the nutrients it needs. It is responsible for processing the food in your body. It will receive the food ingested, transform it, and capture what is important for the body. Not important, it will expel from the body through the anus. The organs of the digestive system allow the digestion of what we ingest, allowing the absorption of nutrients as well as the elimination of particles not used by the organism. It can be divided into two parts, being called the digestive tract and accessory organs. The digestive tract consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. The accessory organs are composed of liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. These elements are responsible for storing or producing secretions that will go through the components of the digestive tract. There are two types of digestion: the mechanical digestion, in which the food will be crushed, chewed, and mixed, and the chemical digestion, in which food will undergo digestive enzymes that will aid and promote the digestion of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins.
The mouth is the gateway to food and the first part to the digestive process. When they eat food, they reach the mouth, where they will be chewed by the teeth and moved by the tongue. It happens the chemical digestion of carbohydrates, in which the starch is broken down into the molecules of glucose and maltose by the enzyme salivary amylase, which is released beautiful salivary glands, pharynge and esophagus. After chewing, the food bolus passes through to the pharynx and is directed into the esophagus. Their peristaltic movements allow the cake to be directed to the stomach. Such a chemical process allows the food to be mixed with digestive juice stomach. The stomach is an organ in bag form. In the stomach, the food is mixed with the gastric juice, which is formed by hydrochloric acid and enzymes responsible for digestion of proteins and lipids. The digestive process that takes place in the stomach is called chemo. By this process, the food bolus is mixed to the gastric juices, being called chemia.
In the small intestine, the breakdown of the molecules become complete. They are absorbed in the digestive system, into the circulatory system, and through the cells. This organ is subdivided into duodenum, jejunum, and ileum, and the process that brings this first portion according the 80% of all the nutrients uptake. This absorption occurs thanks to foods and projectiles that are called villi. The pond reaches the large intestine, which is divided into the second colon, rectum, and anus. It has the function of absorbing water minerals and directing the part that has not been digested from the kilo to the hecton, so it's that is eliminated. As this mistress walks along the large intestines, water and minerals, salts will be absorbed, and this is mixture will become pastes and increasingly similar to feces. In the large intestines, there are bacteria that promote the production of the vitamins such as vitamin K and vitamin B.
Exocerous bodies, they are organs that do not play the direct part of the digestive process, but they help that digestion occur properly. Accessory organs included the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. One of the functions of the liver is the production of the bile that will be stored in the gallbladder and subsequently participate in the process digestive emulsifying fats in the intestinal tract. The pancreas is a mixed gland that has function of the producing pancreatic juice, which is an exocrine secretion responsible for the degradation of carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. It does besides being responsible for the production of insulin and glucagon, responsible for endocrine secretion by the amount of circulation sugar in the blood.